Hello and welcome back to another video at Answers Excel Academy. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to take an Excel table and transform it into a live updating HTML website, something like this. We're going to be using a few functions here, and I'm going to walk you step by step from scratch how to get to this point. So the first thing I'll do is with my Excel table complete, I will export this into an HTML file. Now, in order to do this, I will be installing a free add-in into my Excel file. So I'm going to go into Google and I'm going to search up TablePop. So TablePop is a free Excel add-in that will allow me to convert my Excel table into HTML. So I'll go into Get TablePop for free. I'm going to get the free version and click on Get Started. I'm going to add in my name and email address, and in my email, I'll receive a link to download this TablePop add-in. Okay, so now I'm in my downloads folder and I've received the download link. I have downloaded TablePop as well, and I've extracted it to unzip the file. Now I'm going to go into this and find the Excel add-in version of TablePop, and I'm going to left click it, or right click rather, and go into properties. And over here, I'm going to select unblock and I'm going to press apply and press OK. Now, once I've done that, I'm going to go back into my Excel file, into File, Options, and then into Add-ins. And over here, with Excel add-ins selected, I'll press Go, and I'm going to look for TablePop. So as you can see, TablePop is right over here. So I'm going to press OK. Now, in the case that TablePop doesn't appear for you at all, what you can do is go back into File, Options, and then Add-ins, and then go into Excel add-ins. And over here you can browse, and then from browse I would just go into my downloads, and then I would find the TablePop add-in and I would click on it and press open, and that would upload it into my Excel add-ins folder. And as you can see in my ribbon up here, now I have TablePop. So simply what I need to do now, my cursor is already clicking within the table, so I'm simply going to export to HTML. Now it's exported, I can go ahead and open it as well just to see how it looks. And here it is. Now the thing is that we need to make this version public so that anyone with the link can view it as well. Currently it's saved within my personal computer so no one else can see it. So in order to change that, what we need to do is we need to push this into or rather deploy it into the internet. So in order to deploy this into the internet, I'm going to be using another extension. This is called Netlify. And this is also a free extension. It allows you to take your HTML and push it and deploy it into the internet. I'm going to go ahead and sign up. I already have an account, but I'll show you the sign up process as well. And simply when you sign up, you will add your email address. So I signed up using Google. And as you can see, you will be able to see all your projects. So now this is again completely free as well. I'm going to go into add new project, deploy manually, and I can drag down my folder here. But first we have to create that folder. So I'm going to go back into my documents, and then that HTML file that we created using our Excel table, when we exported to HTML, that created a file, and that file is called table1. It's called table1 because that's the name of our table. If I go into home, I can see, or rather table design, I can see the name of the table is table1, and that's why the name of the HTML file is also table1. Now what I need to do is I need to change the name. Now this is an HTML file. I need to change the name to index, and I'm going to go ahead and create a folder as well, and I'm going to call this folder web site. Now within my folder, I'm going to drag down this index HTML file that I've created. And this is my folder which contains that HTML file, right? So what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to go back into Netlify, and I'm going to go ahead and drag my folder into here. So a shortcut to do this is just to go to Windows left, and then I'll click on this window, Windows right, and as you can see, they open up side to side. Now I can just drag this into here, and it is uploading my Excel table HTML version into the Netlify app. So now what I want to do is I want to change the name. So as you can see right now, it's called Storied Sherbet. So what I'll do is I'll go into domain management. I'll go into options, edit project name. My Excel file, this table is basically a price list or a product catalog. So I'm just going to call it catalog and save. This is already taken, so I'm just going to call it answers catalog. Let's see if that is available. And yes, that name was available, so I was able to take that name. And now we can go ahead and click on the link, and there we have it. We have our table right over there. It's all ready to go, and I can go ahead and copy this link and I can send it to anyone I want, and they'll receive my product or my price catalog. So that's how you can take an Excel table and convert it into a live website using a few simple steps, all for free. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you shortly on the next video.